Okay, now we move on to the third subtopic, which is circles, bulatan. So in bulatan, in circles, you will learn about the first and foremost is definition, and then equation of a circle, family of circles, points of intersection of a straight line and a circle, equation of tangent to a circle, circular measure, points of intersections, and the length of tangent from a point to a circle. Okay, so let's see one by one. This is the definition for a circle. A circle is the set of all points in the plane which are at fixed distance r from a fixed point. Dia kata, the fixed point h and k is the center of the circle. Over here, this is the center HK. And the fixed distance R, dia kata ada satu jarak tetap R, is the radius of the circle. So, daripada panjang-panjang ayat ni, all you need to know is that in a circle, there is a center, ada titik tengah, center, HK, ataupun center dia known as C, with the point HK, and then from C to P over here, P ni dekat lilitan dia. Ada satu garis lurus which is R dia punya radius or dia punya jari. Okay, so how do you find R? This R, we're going to minus X minus H and then Y minus K. Sama macam you buat tadi yang mula cari dia punya gradient kan untuk straight line. This is actually kecerunan lah. Tapi dalam straight line dia jadi kecerunan. Dalam circle dia jadi radius. So how do you find R? Using this one. X minus H, Y minus K. So you find this. Okay. So you have equation of a circle. Kita berbalik kepada yang tadi. We have point C and point P and you have R, the radius. So this is a standard form of an equation of a circle. Standard form. Standard form tu kita obtain macam mana? X minus H. Ni X. Sini pun X kan? Tapi dia tidak guna simbol X. Dia guna as H. X minus H square. Then plus Y minus K square equal to R square. Samalah juga. Ini dengan ini hasil tambah dua ni you akan dapat R square dalam bentuk. Inilah standard form. So any equation of a circle with center at point HK. Ingatlah dia mesti ada center. Kalau circle dia mesti ada center dengan point HK. And dia mesti ada radius. Radius length R, it is called center radius equation of the circle. If HK equal to 0, 0, you akan dapat ni. So, kita ada ni standard form. Ini pula center radius equation. Ini dalam bentuk center radius. X square plus Y square equal to R square. Ini bila mana your H and K equal to 0. Terus dapat macam ni. Tu dia dah tunjuk. This one H, dekat sini K, dekat sini. Okay, example, write the equation of a circle which has point this as the center. Okay, so dia beritahu dah, this is the center. And the length of the radius is 3. So your R equal to 3. So, this is your H, this is your K, right? Sebab ni dalam bentuk C. Kita kata center dalam bentuk HK. So this is your H, this is your K, this is your R. So we can use this equation, the standard form X minus H square plus Y minus K square equal to R square. Also you have no other option. You have to memorize this, all this form of equation. Okay, the equation can be written as X minus your H is equal to -5 square plus Y minus your K equal to -12 square and your R equal to 3 square lah. And then you just expand it, kembang-kembangkan, then you get this answer. This is the answer, okay? So it's quite simple and straightforward. All you need to know is you need to identify what is your C, the point C, the center, and your radius. Okay, this is previously we have learned about the standard form and also the center radius. This is the center radius and the standard form. Now we're going to learn about the general form of a circle. Okay, if we expand this equation, this is the standard form, right? The previous one. We have, kalau kita kembangkan dia, kita dapat ni yang panjang-panjang ni. Bila you square kan, buka bracket tu, you square kan dia, you get this whole thing. So, we're going to substitute h equal to negative g and k equal to negative f. Yang h dengan k tadi, dia dah bertukar jadi negative g and negative f. So you will have c equal to h square plus k square minus r square. We have a general form of a circle which can be written as, kenapa dia buat dia tukarkan dia dalam bentuk yang ni, yang color hijau ni? Sebab yang this one, yang color purple ni terlalu panjang. It's too long. Okay, so we want to simplify it. We substitute the h and k into this and the c with this one. Okay, you have c over here, h plus k square plus minus r square. So this is your c. This is your c. And your h over here and your k over here, you're going to substitute it with this one. So you will have a new form of equation which is a general form. So x square plus y square. This one is no longer minus because we have negative g over here, so it's become plus 2g hex. See over here we don't have h already. This is from here. It's become g already. And also this one you don't have k already, you have y. Sorry, you have f. And this whole thing over here, it become your c over here. So hk, we can write it down as negative g, negative f. This is a new form of h and k in terms of general form. Okay, so you have this. Okay, again, you're going to factorize it, or you're going to substitute it with all this thing. So you get the center is negative g, negative f. This is the center, right? The center. It's no longer h and k. It's become negative g and negative f. And the radius will be this one. From here, the radius will be this one. This is the radius. This whole thing. Sebab ini dalam bentuk square. So, bila radius, kita square rootkan dia. Ini actually dalam bentuk x minus h plus y minus k. Ini actually dalam bentuk yang ini. Ini actually dalam bentuk ni nah. Yang original dia. Tapi bila dia dah tukar ganti masuk dengan g and f, so it's become a new thing over here. Okay. This is we known as center radius form. This is general form. Yang color hijau ni general form. This is center radius form. I know it's a bit difficult at first, but after you look it properly, after you try how to derive this, how do you get this, you will find it's not really difficult. It's just that you need to know what is your h, what is your center, h and k, what is your radius. You need to know the standard form, which is this, and how the standard form change into the general form using the h and k, using the negative g and negative f, and then you have the center radius form, this one. Okay, now let's see the example. So we have this form actually, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Where does this equation come from? It's come from this one, the general form. See? The general form. This is the general form, okay? This is general form. And draw, okay, dia kata find the center and the radius. You need to find center and the radius r. So from here, you have G and you have F, kan? We refer back. Kita tengok balik, kita compare yang ni. We compare this one and this one, the general form. So all you have is that x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So what happened? This constant over here, you bring it on this side. Bawa dia yang ni, bawa ke sebelah sini. So dia become 20. So yang lain tu, you kumpul-kumpulkan dia. Mana sebutan X, you kumpulkan X. Mana sebutan Y, you kumpulkan Y. Daripada sini kan? X, kumpulkan X. Y, kumpulkan Y. So you have this. So, bila yang ni, ini adalah standard form. Kan? Ingat? This is actually standard form. Standard form yang ni, nah yang atas. Kalau purple. Okay, so by completing the square, dia kata by completing the square, you have to completing the square first. X square minus 2x plus negative 2 over 2. Macam mana completing the square? You divide the b by 2 and then square it. Your b is over here, kan? You square it. Plus, sama juga y square plus 4y. 4 divide by 2 and then you square it. Minus equal to 20. You tambahkan semula with the whole thing that you have over here and over here. Okay. So you will have this one. Bila you dah solve it as completing the square, you have x minus 1 square plus y plus 2 square equal to 25. Ini you tekan calculator lah macam biasa. This one you will get 1. This one you will get okay, 1, this one you will get 2. 2 square, you get 4. 1 square, you get 1. That's why you get 25. Kan over here? Yang ni you dah dapat negative 1. Ni you dapat 2 dekat sini. So, ni dalam bentuk standard form tadi. So, you dah tahu dah kalau tengok dia dalam standard form, x minus h plus y minus k. So, what is your h? What is your k? So, this is your h1 and your k is equal to negative 2. This is your h and this is your k. And this is your r square. So, your r become 5. That's it. Okay, I think it's a bit difficult for you because it's involved the completing the square. The rest is actually you just compare it with the general form. This is the general form. This is the standard form. Then you're going to find the center h and k. Slowly, you have to try it first. Then you can understand it. Alternatively, ada cara lain, comparing the given equation. So this is the equation given. This is the general form. Bila you compare, we have G equal to negative 1. Terus dia dapat G equal to negative 1. Dia compare dengan ni. Kat sini, kat sini. Kan? Dia dapat G equal to negative 1. And then you get 4y. And over here 2fy. So apa jadi? Your F equal to 2 and your C equal to, terus ambil your C equal to negative 20 ni lah. So the center, ini dia dalam, since dia guna yang ini dalam stand G and F, so your center will be negative G, negative F lah. Terus ambil G and F. Negative G, 1, negative F, negative 2. And the radius will be, this is the formula for the radius. Ni dapat dari mana ni? Dapat dari sini. Ni dapat dari sini. The radius is in this one. So please try it again on your own. Check it whether you can get the same answer with me. So when you draw it, so you have just first you need to draw the x-axis and y-axis. Sketch where is the point, the center, and then you have 5 over here. The radius is 5. Then draw a circle around it. So that's it. This is the R. This is your center C.